3.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Wildly Graceful. Today I want to show you what I did for the kids' bunk lighting. I gave them each their own individual look with their bunks. Turn off the lights. And I got these fairy lights at the at-home store. They're 15 feet on a copper wire. They're a battery-operated pack. I used command hooks to adhere them to the ceiling because you can't put any screws into the roof of your trailer. And each rack holds this cell phone holder found in a dorm collection on Amazon that holds the battery pack so the kids can turn them on and off. Really easy flip of a switch. And I did a different design for each of the kids' bunks. The lights alone were about $15 per kit, and I used a coupon that came when you subscribed to their email for 10% off. This whole project took me maybe 30 minutes to do both bunks. Thanks for checking out our cool bunk lighting. See you next time.